The final tally has in fact been on a very flat note today, with the Sensex adding only 30 odd points. For the year gone by though, there's been a good degree of outperformance for the Nifty, for one which has gained almost 7%. For more on how this year has panned out, let's go across to Gargi Parikh, who's standing by from our research team. What a crazy and volatile year it's been, Gargi.
That's right, Avan. It has been a volatile year, and like you mentioned, the last day we closed on a bit of a somber note, but it has been almost a 7% move that we've seen on the Nifty on the upside, and in fact, it has closed above all the DMAs for this year 2013. Look at the highs that we've seen, the lifetime highs of 6415 levels that we've seen in the month of December itself. Talk about few of the sectoral gainers. Before that, let me just mention it is the second year of gains that we are seeing for the Nifty, so that's probably something that we can cheer for. Also remember that the IT index, that has been the stellar performer for this particular year. The healthcare index also not performing too badly. Both these indices almost at their record levels this time around. Talk about some of the stocks that have really gained in the year: HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro and Infy. All the IT stocks have been on a roll, and Sun Pharma is the other one that has been one of the top gainers if you see the Nifty space. Also with JP Associates, JSPL, and IDFC, PNB, DLF, these have been the underperformers. Metals, we know, overall hasn't performed too well, pulled down by that JSPL, this CBI probe on the coal allocation scam. JP Associates, remember, the entire JP Group stocks, those have not done too well, considering the debt that they have on their books. The operational performance for the JP Group companies has not been too great. We know some problems with banking names, especially a PNB, IDFC too, like I mentioned, not done too well. Realty stocks again have been an overhang for the Nifty, DLF being one of the top losers on the Nifty. Also remember that in August we had touched the yearly lows. Since that point we've recovered almost 25%. So the second half of course has been better. Also let me remind you that the mid caps this time around have underperformed compared to the frontliners. So a good run up for the Nifty, 7% move for 2013.